Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng Dustmite vacuum cleaner and I am so happy that I finally have one. This is the Uwant M100 Mite Removal Vacuum Cleaner. Bagay na bagay nga pala to sa mga may allergies like me. Ang ginagamit ko lang kasi before is yung normal lint remover and the problem with that is hindi niya nalilinis underneath the mattress or comforter. Kaya sometimes kung mapapansin nyo may mga insect bites pa rin kayo kahit weekly kayo nagpapalit ng mga beddings. Ang isa pang feature na nagustuhan ko sa kanya as you can see sa display screen panel niya, meron siyang built-in intelligence sensor, meaning na detect niya yung mga areas na may mga possible na dust and mites. The higher the percentage, ibig sabihin need mo talaga siyang linisin ng sobra. Meron nga pala siyang 4.5 meters long na power cord, so sobrang haba na niya, hindi mo na need gumamit ng mga extensions. Plus, ang ganda gamitin, very handy lang talaga siya. As you can see dito, sobrang dami nakuhang dumi, comforter pa lang yan ha. Meron nga din pala itong UV sterilization, so it removes the harmful bacteria and destroys the colonies of dust mite in your beddings. Unlike ordinary vacuum cleaners, meron itong double cup design that separates the dirt into another compartment. This prevents the filter from getting blocked and ensures the consistent suction. Meron nga pala itong 5-layer filtration system and may lumalabas din sa kanya na warm air na 65 degrees Celsius. So yun is to prevent the growth of dust mites. As you can see, natanggal talaga niya yung mga dumi underneath my comforter and pillows. So, pillows and comforter pa lang yan, pero sobrang dumi. Here, I'm just showing how to change the filter sponge just to give you an idea lang. Guys, you need to replace the filter sponge after 30 to 50 cumulative hours of usage. Don't worry, hindi agad kayo bibili kasi meron siyang dalawang extra filter sponge na kasama. So, if naghahanap ka ng Dustmite vacuum cleaner, the Uwant M100 is a great choice.